Afternoon mga ka-Omega, ka-Omigo. Good afternoon to all of you. Greetings from Philippines. Hi, welcome to all. Bahay probinsya dito sa Bicol. Ayan, nasa Bicol ako nakatambay. Nagkain ng baboy. Welcome to everyone. Hapon na naman sa lahat. Nakakagansya. Dasan to. Hagardo. Hagardo ang lola. Hello sa lahat. Hello. Ah, ano ba yan? Sabado de Gloria pala ngayon. Magandang mapagpalang araw ng Sabado. Iyak pa mo. Puyat pa more, iyak. Yarn. Gandang hapon. Wala makain. Walang dalang pagkain. Ito. Ayan, wala masyadong alalahanin. Oh, sarap. Hapon na naman ulit. Thank you sa thumbs up. Yun sa LS. Come and let's something. Dito ako nakakapag-LS sa palayan sa ano, kasi walang masyadong tao. Alam mo na mga ano tayo, mga introvert tayo, ayaw natin ng mga ano, charot! Tsaka walang masyadong istorbo ba. Salamat sa nanood. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Ah, ay naku, Pagardo ang lola. Pagardo, say hapon na. Hapon na naman, ano na naman ang ulam? May ano kami mamaya, may alumni sa Galyanosa. Sana maka-attend. Sana yun, lumaos na someday. Robo-obo na. Hapon na naman ulit, oh. Hapon na naman, matatapos na naman ang isang araw. Tapos na naman ang isang araw nito, oh my God. Man, ano naman ano naman tayo nito bukod. Sa nanonood, mag-comment ka naman. Huwag ka naman manood, mag-comment ka. Kahit ano, magalit ka sa akin. Sige. Charot. No more hate, spread love. And if you want, you take it. And sana manonood ka na lang. Di ka wala kang sasabihin. Niha-niho. Secret admirer ko 'to, Char. Kapal ang mukha, naghangad. I know that you're wrong for me. You know that and I thought I would be right for you. Kantahan ko na lang ikaw, total nag-i-mood ka man sa ako, kantahan ko na lang ikaw. Malay mo ano ka, ah, ano ba 'yan, haters ganyan. Ano, love na love ko yung mga aking mga ano, yung mga love ako sa ano, sa harap-harapang pagtalikod ano, spread. Love na love ko 'yan, binibigyan ako ng panahon. Para sa'yo yung kanta na 'to. Wala ng mga gano'ng negative pa, para naman 'to sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'kin, unconditional love, ganyan. Para sa'yo 'yan, para sa inyo 'yan. Ano ang panghin ko ba yung maghiling? Lupang hinirang! Ano ba 'yan, ano ba 'yan? Your love is like the sun that's light up my whole world. I feel deep inside. Your love is like the to my vein. I feel inside. Um, Hi!
Um,
Da, ikaw pala yun! Ako, ano sino? Ka!
nature, nature,
Nature lover.
lover, lover,
Lover. Where are
the
you now?
lover. I'm
Where?
home.
Ha?
I'm home.
Home, mom, home. Your
I
mom home.
go to the I go to the mall in the afternoon.
In the
In the
afternoon.
afternoon, I go to the
But
mall.
now it's morning. Still morning. Now, there.
It's morning, uh,
10.
10 and a half, 10 and a
10:30.
half,
10:30.
10:30, 10:30. Yes, cleaning.
Cleaning. Cleaning home.
Yes, a little.
A little. But why not little?
I
Ay,
dress up.
why not
I
big?
dress.
Mm.
Just dressed up.
Hi. Hi.
bread,
Bread.
bread,
Swason.
the
Swason.
bread,
The bread. French bread. Swason.
croissant.
Swason.
It's spring, but it's called spring.
Cold spring.
It's
But
still cold for,
winter's done there now.
yeah, it's over.
Over.
Winter is over,
Mm. Winter is over.
but it's
Here
still cold and rainy. So much rain in March. So
in
much
March.
rain.
Storm.
We have too much rain.
Way too
And
much.
Storm Nelson,
Storm Nelson. Name of the storm is Nelson.
Nelson. In the UK, also,
Ah, okay.
it hit the UK and
Here
France.
and France.
The West, only the Western France,
Western France.
mostly the Western France, Northwest. It's us. It's us.
As it's you.
But here it was one day, only one day.
Only one day.
It happened during only one day. Now it's not windy. It's sunny today. Wow. Miracle.
Good. Good.
Miracle.
Oh. Ano ka?
It's a miracle.
Sinaksak ko na dito.
You see, sunny today.
Ama. Wow. Sunny.
Um, but cold.
Yes, hapon na ako.
But
Kay
cold. Still
cold.
cold.
Still cold. Mano ka, malaba?
Maloka na baka.
Malaba. Malaba. Wash clothes. Oh, clothes.
I tried to
Bao nga ni.
reproduce.
Ay, nagkukulog na pero ano, mabuhay ka na? Sa Aloni, sa Aga, sa Turaga.
Ano, may nagpalis ka na ako.
Sa Sarchu,
Dire,
Hospital.
hospital. Ang ano ko,
Oh, okay. Niya na jis na. Ah, mabanlaw ka na lang.
Apples.
Ah,
Na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. My lip, my lip hurts. It
hurts.
hurts.
Oh, not cold. I mean, your lip crack. Your lip crack when cold weather.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
chapped,
top,
chapped
top
lips,
lip
dry,
dry.
so dry.
Ano, it will heal. Ha,
It
summer.
will heal with the kiss. Heal.
Wow, lucky one. Hey, it's alive.
Kiss. You kiss.
It's alive. Wala na.
It's alive. I'm alive, and you're alive. We're alive.
Alive. Oh my
We're
god.
alive. Are you alive now?
Where's your mom?
we, she's at work. At work.
Like,
She's at work. But I join her
why?
uh 4 p.m. 4 p.m.
You're going to the mall?
Yes, the mall is gonna close at the end of April. April.
At the end of April? Why?
It's gonna close because they're changing the name. It's gonna change after 30 years. They changed the
Huh?
name.
The name of the mall? Maybe
they
change owner?
they changed the name, yeah, but also they're gonna change the jobs. People are gonna have to lose their job, maybe.
Maybe.
There are there will be under renovation.
Renovation of the mall.
They will go under renovation,
Renovation of the
and
mall.
it's gonna have a new name. New name.
New name. Maybe new name, new company, new owner, maybe.
It's the name is there is already the same name at the other part of the city. So it's a second mall
Sec-
with the same name.
Same name, same owner, maybe.
So if we say I'm going there, people wonder which one,
Which one?
which one, because
Like Sheryl Ohm. Tapos maybe someday I will change my last name and it will maybe like Omo. Omo.
Cheryl Home.
Ay, Sheryl Marble. Mo. And someday, Omo, OH Omo, OHM
Welcome to my home of Sheryl Home.
Sheryl home,
To
home,
Cheryl's home.
home.
Mm. I wake up
Someday, I
early.
will, I, Sheryl store.
Cheryl Home Store. Come buy my products.
Yes. Welcome to my store.
Bicol
Buy
made
my huh? Bicol made
Bicol made products
Bicol made products. Yeah, it 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 will happen soon.
for for you got life. For you got
Bicol
life.
made I will make yan, online selling. Ay, welcome to my charger. Buy my product, my homemade product, Sheryl own product, my homemade Bicol homemade product, Bicol homemade.
My new channel, I have 94 followers. 94.
90.
Almost 100. Almost
Wow.
100.
You will make LS StreamYard on StreamYard.
StreamYard.
Yeah. 100 100 followers you can stream
Yeah.
live
Oh, yeah.
on
I
StreamYard.
forgot. Yeah, when we don't have
But, but
even 1K, we can
on one
do.
on YouTube 1K you need to reach 1K to make LS.
Yeah, yeah, 1K.
But in StreamYard you can reach just 100.
Already, I made two new videos, but I didn't upload yet.
On new second
New channel.
new channel.
But I need to go back to the first because it's been weeks. I didn't upload for weeks.
Me, I have so many videos I already edited but not yet upload.
Yeah, I will
So
watch your videos because I didn't. But I see you have many now. You have many videos.
I have many lives.
You have many videos. Should go
Yesterday, I
back
last night I make LS last night on
yesterday.
position. During my LS, some teenager 12 40 19 joined me yesterday last night on my LS. I go, wow, it's my 19.
20 people.
Yes, yes, last night.
20. Oh,
20,
there's clouds. No,
20
clouds. I see clouds.
cloud.
Clouds. I hope it's not changing.
Optimistic.
You see a little
Yeah, I
cloud.
see. Clouds. Ay,
I don't.
ako. Ah,
I have a issue to when I send my video to. I send my video from my phone to the laptop
from
to get
phone
it
to
on
the
on the laptop, but it's not uploading. I don't know why.
I
It
know.
says
Not yet upload.
not what?
Uploading, not yet upload.
Yeah, it says I send my video to my messenger, to my own messenger.
Your own account.
Usually it takes minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Uh,
But now it stops and it says message not sent, not sent.
not send. How
And
many minutes?
the video is only 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Why not
Two
send?
minutes. It's not a problem with the size. It just doesn't work. I tried to send you, I send you my
You
own
send
video to get it, but it's same
same,
issue.
same issue.
So
Can't send.
maybe it's messenger issue.
Maybe messenger issue.
Can you send videos to messenger or it doesn't work for you?
It works.
You can send
I
videos.
I can I also send my own videos for
Yeah, you do the same.
I do the same. Yeah. When I recorded when I because I need
Yeah. I
to
don't
keep
know
the
why.
review, I send my
Yeah.
own messenger.
Suddenly an issue came up
Yeah. Oh yeah.
suddenly. I don't know why.
Happened.
It's weird because I checked the settings, I checked everything, but it just there is a an error message. Error
Error.
message. It says message not sent. It's
Not
not
error.
sent. Yeah. Error
Error.
not sent.
Uh, error.
I don't know why it's not sent.
Not sent.
So what I do, I send my video to Google Drive. Google Drive.
Wait, wait. On my
I go to
Gmail,
Google
I can I can't receive new email because full
your
storage.
email.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is full storage.
Yeah, you
My
need to remove
remove
some
some
pictures, videos, and some videos.
no just message Gmail
Message. Oh,
Gmail I
Gmail.
Gmail
Oh, it's full.
full full
Yeah,
storage.
it happens to mom also. Mom, she has the same issue.
Same issue.
And when she removes videos after it works, so it's also videos sometimes. It blocks the Gmail.
Blocks.
Even even not many mails, it's still full. But it's the
Yeah,
videos. It's the videos.
it's the video.
Yeah. Even Gmail, the videos, it's full. I don't know why, but the storage is linked to videos.
It says I need to
Maybe.
pay to
Yeah, I know. I see this, but you don't need to. You just need to
just
remove
tune
the big video, large
large
size
large size
videos.
big on my camera.
Maybe it's on your Google
Google
Save, Google Drive. You
Google
go to
Drive.
Google Drive.
Okay. Okay.
Did you go to Google Drive?
Man, I'm not yet,
So
but
maybe
I
the some videos are there on
uh,
Google Drive.
hmm,
Maybe.
maybe
or maybe or maybe your phone in the camera roll, maybe it's saved and synchronized across
uh,
Google.
okay.
uh, so
Synchronize.
maybe so maybe it's automatic when you have a when you record a video, maybe it's automatic and it goes to Google online.
Okay, then it
and then
says.
it's full full
Mm,
storage
so
because of
I will check if
synchronize.
it works.
Yeah. So you need to remove mom did this always. She always has full storage because she records long videos, very long videos.
She always recorded too.
Every time, even just something uh like take a drink,
Yeah,
everything.
because we are in habit
Every,
when we
what?
drink, when habit, like we if we eat food we need to take a picture like that. It's a memory.
Yeah, she always takes pictures, but she doesn't look.
Yes, it doesn't look, and sometimes we didn't post the pictures or the video, but we keep
Yeah,
we keep this pictures or the video.
sometimes if we keep at it, we never look at them.
Huh?
We never check them later on.
Later on, never check. Later on, wait.
Oh my god, it's cloudy. Now it's
Cloud,
cloudy.
cloud, cloudy there.
We
I mean,
never have sunny days in March. It's rainy
rainy
March and cold March. Some
storm
some
March there.
right
Here, summer feels. Here, summer feels.
there, summer feels.
Yeah, here, summer feels.
Some places in France, they in eastern France they had snow.
Snow? Still have snow?
In spring they had
Ah,
snow.
okay. I prefer
Sometimes it's late into the it's early spring.
or
It's still cold. It's in early spring.
mm,
The best part of spring is the end of spring
look at me.
or the middle of spring.
Hanging bridge. The bridge. Hanging bridge.
You're on the bridge.
Bre- bridge. Bridge.
bread, bread,
Bre- bridge.
the
The
bread,
bridge.
bread,
Look at the volcan Bulusan. The
volcano,
volcan yes.
Bulasan,
Yan, volcan
volcano,
Bulusan.
volcano,
Yes. You see?
Bulasan. I see the
The
volcano
eruption erupt before. Erupt.
before, but now there is no
There is
eruption. Mhm.
no eruption. Yes.
Imagine if you have eruption during the live.
Oh my
During the live.
god. If
You're the
it's up
first. You're the
first,
first to record,
yeah, it's first
and you
record.
can send the video to the news, and they give you money
Yes.
for
Oh,
the exclusive news.
I hope.
Exclusive news from the
Hapon na
spot.
po. Excuse me. Bisyonon kita. Bisyonon kita for me. Maski naglalakaw pa, magkahuruslog na, bahala na.
You cross path with someone. You cross
I
path.
I talked someone.
You met someone.
I met someone, a woman.
There is
My
one way.
life, 34 minutes. Wow.
There is one way
One.
on foot, on foot, and the path.
I wish I will reach watch hour. Oh, why I see just 3,000 watch hour?
3,000.
Yeah, 3K, just 3K. I thought 4K. It says just 3K.
You need only 3K.
Okay. I need only 3K. Maybe.
Oh, yeah, maybe you have 1K. You made
Oh my god!
1K,
I already
so you
reached
need
1K. Oh! Oh my god.
you're fast. My new channel, I have
Wow,
only
fast.
uh
I
my
start.
new channel, I have 60 hours only.
Wow. Because
66.
because remember I'm disappointed because I start zero. I zero.
But
I
you
need
know why? You know why you have 1K fast?
last.
Because your old videos, your old.
Oh, oh yes.
When you teach people how to say in Bicol, how to say something in
Yeah.
Bicol.
Like how to say I miss you like that.
Yeah, I miss you in Bicol. So they
Mm,
still watch, and also the Bicol songs.
yeah,
Uh,
because
they
songs.
it's
More
the most
most
viewed.
most views.
So it's very fast when you have successful old videos. It's faster. You forgot that you can earn with the old videos. You didn't think about it.
But
You didn't think that it helps. It helps.
it helps me. It helps me to grow.
And also the you got video. You have a you got background music.
Background music. Ah yes.
You got
I have so many copyright music on my videos.
you can replace.
Yeah, but I always try to replace, but I forgot. I forgot how to replace music.
It's easy. It's fast. You go to the claim and you click action. There is a button called action
Okay.
on the claim.
On the
Action.
plane.
You click,
Mm.
you tap action, and you have the choice. It says replace or mute,
Oh,
replace or mute.
okay. Maybe I can mute or
Action.
replace the music.
So you go to action on the claim action,
Okay.
what to do,
What to
and
do
action.
if he is you today?
But maybe it's action. I don't. Uh, I think because mine was in French and it said action in
what?
French.
What? What? What rice in French? French.
What?
Rice in French.
Right?
Rice. The
Oh,
rice.
right. It's
French.
almost the same. Almost the same.
Almost the
Riz,
same.
riz, riz,
Ah, li. Ri.
riz.
Ri.
Yes, riz.
Ri.
You spell R
R
I Z.
I.
R-I-Z. Three
R
three letters.
R I
R-I-Z.
set
R-I-Z. Z.
or Z.
R-I-Z.
Ri.
R-I-Z.
Ri.
But we don't pronounce the Z at the end.
Ri.
It's silent. Silent
Ri.
Z.
Ri. Ri.
Ri,
Ah,
ri.
the mountain.
Montagne,
Mountain.
montagne,
Mountain.
montagne, montagne.
Coconut.
Noix de coco, noix de coco.
Kumuha ka ng buko.
Noix,
Noa.
noix,
Noa.
noix,
Noa.
noix
Noa.
de,
The.
de
The.
coco, coco,
Kuko.
coco.
Kuko.
Noix de coco.
Noa de
Hmm.
kuko. Ang hirap naman bigkasin.
What?
Ay, it's hard to pronounce. Kuko.
Noix de coco.
Noa de
Noix,
kuko. Kumuha ka ng
noix.
buko.
It's noix, noix,
Noa.
noix, noix, noix,
Noa.
noix. Noix is a net. Noix is net.
Okay. Noa.
Net
I
of
mean,
the is of
the.
the
Ah, the.
means of.
Ah.
So it's net of coconut.
Yeah,
Coco.
that's right. I'm right. Kumuha ka ng buko. Noa of coconut. Oh my
Yeah.
God, talino ko. I'm smart.
Net of cocoa. Net
Noa?
of cocoa.
Yes, I'm right. Kumuha ka ng buko. Noa the
Noix
coco.
de coco. Noix de coco.
Kumuha ka ng buko. God. Just coconut.
Coconut. Noix de coco.
Yeah, just coconut. Ah. O, diba?
Yesterday I eat yogurt with coconut yogurt
Ah,
yesterday.
yesterday.
We have yogurt. You know, yogurt is very popular in France. Yogurt.
Why?
You know, yogurt.
Yeah, I know yogurt, but
You have yogurt
no
there.
yogurt. No,
Yo-
no yogurt, but I eat yogurt.
Yogurt. Yeah.
Ano,
There.
I mean, I eat yogurt maybe, maybe just one time in 2 years, like that. That's
Here, for example, mom, she eats yogurts every night,
because
every day.
yogurt, it's good for the health.
Because here we have a full aisle, in the stores, we have a full high aisle of yogurts,
Wow. Healthy
full,
lifestyle.
a full department of yogurt.
Um, here yogurt
So
here expensive.
here it's cheap.
Uh, cheap.
Sometimes 1, 2 euros, between 1 and 2.
My,
It
yeah,
depends.
expensive. 1, 2 euros, more than 100 yogurt. My God. Just a little,
But for 1, 2 euros or more than one,
more than one. Yes, more
it
than
is
one.
it is
Because
not sold separately. It's sold in groups.
uh,
In groups.
I like strawberry yogurt.
Yeah,
Strawberry.
strawberry, lemon,
Oh,
coconut.
coconut. Coconut. Strawberry because we have a very rich coconut here. Fresh coconut with fresh coconut. Have coconut tree there in France?
uh, Maybe
Maybe.
coconut tree. Maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Not. Not much.
What?
Here, you look. Everywhere have coconut. Ah!
Uh, I don't know if we have. Maybe I think it's in the isles, in the
Yeah,
islands, on the
island.
island,
Because you live at the cities. No
in
coconut
the
there.
islands. Africa, maybe Africa.
France?
South
No.
South America, I think. South America, Africa, the islands, some islands in some countries, maybe Spain.
Yeah,
Spain,
Spain. Have coconut in Spain. I
Spain.
go there, you know. You know, I live in Spain in how many years? You know, you know
Spain.
that I live in Spain
What?
in how many years? I'm a Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah, I have a blood of Spanish, Charles.
Yeah, because the language is similar.
Yes,
The
similar.
language.
Like la mesa, ganyan, mesa. La mesa, mesa,
Escuela,
it's from
school,
Spanish word.
escuela,
Escuela,
school,
yeah. School.
escuela,
Escuela. School. Eskwelahan, school. Spanish.
escuela.
Spanish.
Uh, hola. No, you don't say hola.
Hola. Hola. Hi. Hola.
Hello.
Hello. Bonjour.
Hola.
Hola la. Hola lang. Hola, hola lang.
Hola.
Hola, hola.
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
How are you? ¿Qué
Ah,
tal?
hello. ¿Qué tal? And
¿Cómo,
French.
cómo está?
¿Cómo
¿Cómo
está, ça va?
está? ¿Cómo está is
¿Cómo está is also,
similar.
si, ¿cómo
It's,
estás?
yeah,
Spanish.
¿cómo
Spanish.
estás? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo
¿Cómo estás?
estás? It's similar.
It's the same.
It's
¿Cómo está
very
in
similar.
French?
¿Cómo
Ça va.
ça va? ¿Cómo ça va? ¿Ça va?
Comment, ça va? Comment ça va? Je
Yeah,
m'appelle.
¿cómo ça va?
What I
But
say?
more,
What is your name? What should I say? What is your name?
¿cómo tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles? And I
¿Cómo tu
answer,
t'appelles? Comment tu
je
t'appelles?
m'appelle. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je
I
m'appelle.
answer, I'm
Je m'a-
Cheryl.
je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle. Grabe
Je
naman.
m'appelle. But
Je m'appelle.
if you, when you speak, it's faster. You don't really say je, but you say je m'appelle, je m'a, je m'a,
Je
je
m'appelle.
m'appelle, je
Je m'appelle.
m'appelle.
Ah, okay. Je m'appelle.
Because when we speak, we don't speak slow like je m'appelle. We say je m'appelle, je m'appelle.
Okay. It's
Faster.
first learner. Je
Spoken.
m'appelle. Like ako, Cheryl, yeah, like je
If you
m'appelle.
say je m'appelle, it it seems like you're reading a book
Yeah,
or
yeah,
or maybe you're doing a job interview.
yes. It's no, it's slow,
Formal. It's formal.
boring. It's
Yeah, formal. Je
formal, very formal.
m'appelle.
Je
Bonjour.
m'appelle.
Je m'appelle Kevin. Et vous?
Bonjour. Salut. Salut. Saluhin mo ako.
Salut. It's U. U.
Salut.
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 Salut. Salut. Ang
It's
hirap i-pronounce.
U.
Salute lang naman yun. Bakit not
U.
boys can pronounce the thing? Isalute yun. Salute. But it says, just say salute. It's salute.
Salut. Hmm. Salud is also a Spanish word, I think. Salud.
Absolutely.
With the D, it's I think it's health.
Uh,
Spanish. Salud.
so
Health. I
else.
think. Salud. Salud. In
I
French, there are
I make
many.
I make end the live today.
You end the live
I need to end the live.
40
Night
minutes.
here now. Oh my god.
I
Time
think
passed.
it's gonna rain here because it's very dark suddenly. Dark, cloudy suddenly.
Mm,
You see?
yeah.
Yeah. It's dark
Wait lang.
suddenly.
Bye bye baby. Bye bye.
You're in life.
How can I end the live?
After